this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on Bitvavo. And if you aren't started yet on Bitvavo, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get started without paying any fees on purchases you make. So also for selling and for buying, and this can save you a lot when you get started on Bitvavo. So if you're interested, go ahead and check the link in the description. Anyway, let's dive into the video. And we're going to start off by searching for the asset that we want to buy, and that is Bitcoin. So let's search for Bitcoin, and we're going to click on the one below. That is BTC, and that is the one we need. So click on this, and now you click on buy. So in here you need to enter the amount that you want to buy, and there is a minimum of around 6 euros or something that's equivalent to around $6. So go ahead and enter something that is above that. And I'm going to buy Bitcoin for 10 euros. So I'm going to click on preview order. And right now you can see down below the price that you are buying Bitcoin for. And this will refresh every 6 seconds. So if you are ready and everything is okay, then you're going to click on Buy BTC. So as you can see, my Bitcoin purchase was successful. And now my balance of Bitcoin has increased. So now I know that I bought my Bitcoin with success. And that is how you buy Bitcoin on Bitvavo. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.